Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to update all drivers automatically on your PC using one of the best and easiest tool. So you don't have to download each driver individually. Okay, so let's get started. So first open your browser and here I will use Google Chrome. Now in the Google Chrome search bar, you need to type driver booster and press enter. Then click on the first result that says Driver Booster 13 free from the IOBit official website. So that's the one we need. Don't worry, this tool is completely safe to use. If you want to double check, you can open the new tab and type VirusTotal. It's an online tool that scans links and files with multiple antivirus engines to confirm whether they are safe or not. Okay. So once the site opens, copy the Driver Booster URL and paste into VirusTotal. And after a few seconds you will see no security vendors flag this URL as malicious. That means it's a safe. Now close the tab and go back to the IOBit page. And here you need to click on the free download button. And the installer will start downloading. It's a very small file. So once the download completes, open your download folder. Then right click on the downloaded file and select Run as Administrator. When the setup window opens, you need to click on Install. And the installation process will take few minutes. Once it's done, it may ask if you want to subscribe to the IOBit newsletter. So simply click on No Thanks. Now close the setup window. And on your desktop you will see a new icon named Driver Booster. So just double click on it to open. Once Driver Booster opens, you will see a big Scan Now button in the middle of the screen. So click on it and Driver Booster will now scan your system for any outdated, missing or broken drivers. This scan may take a few minutes depending on your system and the number of devices connected. After the scan is complete, you will see a report showing how many drivers are outdated of your system. For example, here you can see my system has 25 outdated drivers showing. So now click on the Update Now button, show in red. And the message will pop up saying that during driver installation, you might experience temporary black screen or program crashes. So this is completely normal. So just click on OK to continue. Driver Booster will now begin downloading and installing all the updated driver automatically. The download time depends on your internet speed and the number of updated available. So I will fast forward this part to save the time, okay? And after all the installations are done, you will get a message saying congrats, updated successfully. So that's it, you have successfully updated all your Windows 11 driver automatically. It's very simple. Before you start using your PC, make sure to restart your computer so that all the new drivers are properly applied. And that's how you downloaded and installed all drivers automatically. No need to download it individually, okay? So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.